So this is our video. In this video, how to changing for title description, how to post on my social media network. That is called, first select your title for the particular video. First copy that video URL. So my YouTube title description and social media sharing title description both are different. When my YouTube title and I'm sharing for social media network, title description will be totally different. So first copy the YouTube URL. This we can select option call is FB linker. Then also my title will be how to start affiliate marketing for beginners 2019. In this I'm changing for here for changing your title. Done. So copy. Now you can submit. Wait for 27 seconds. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. So just I'm sharing my Facebook first. Select here, copy the content in the posting for hashtag and click for post on your Facebook. Now you can clearly watch. I'll show you the screen. My YouTube title, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. This is my question. This I'm promoting for my using FB linker, changing for my title and description for my YouTube video. So see this one. Learn this video how to create successful affiliate marketing program 2019. So my YouTube title, my promotion title, totally difference. My YouTube title, my promotion title, total will be different. Entity we can promoting for Google Plus. So we can promoting for each and every YouTube title, multiple title and multiple description we can promote and using for FB linker. Now click for post. We can edit and sharing for this all social networks. Select it and log in with your tweet. So this is called any YouTube title and description we can change posting for your social media network. The option call is anyimage.io or using fblinker.com.